Oh, more water.
We gave up waiting for that udon place.
Yeah.
It was such a huge line. Probably 3-hour wait. We went to get another udon. This is our regular beef udon, and then we got some tempura and chicken.
Yeah. Let's dig in.
Mmm. It's sweet.
Sweet.
It was good.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. That's so good.
Chicken itself is so juicy,
And like crispy.
and the outside is like perfectly battered. Try the shrimp tempura. This udon is very soft.
It's a big portion as well. I kind of like udon though.
It's very soft, but
Well, it's not like overcooked.
it's kind of rounded, so it's easy to slurp. I don't know how to explain it, but it's so good. Oh, it's fine. We're at TeamLab. So beautiful. We just tackled TeamLab. How was it?
It's fun. I
It
like
was
it.
fun the second time around. The first time was a little hectic. I feel like we just were trying to get pictures and then videos. The second time we really got to like enjoy the art. So I feel like that's a good way to do it. I would suggest like the first time really enjoying it, and then the second time taking pictures and stuff. Right now I think we're gonna go back to Tokyo and eat. We're at this grill your own yakiniku place.
Okay, I thought this was a water cup, and I poured it and
Oh my
Water
gosh.
spill.
So this is like your build your own section. And then this is the grill. And we're just ordering. Okay, my set came. Honestly, I don't know which is which. I got like skirt steak, wagyu, something. I think this is wagyu, the marble. And then I got short ribs, and then I got skirt steak. I think that might be it. This is kind of scary. That's so cool.
Oh wow. So good.
Kimchi.
How's it?
We're trying to find Shibuya crossing.
Yeah, this is it.
Oh yeah, there's us crossing the Shibuya crossing.
We're doing our favorite activity.
We're making jewelry. He finished. Look how nice it looks on him.
Yeah, it's shining, right?
Yeah, it is. Good job.
Can I make another one? Thanks, babe.
Good morning, we're getting ramen.
Yeah, that was good.
It has a mixture of thin noodles. I guess this is still pretty thick ramen noodles and wide. The wide ramen noodles were really good. You have to be slurping. It's made with anchovy broth. But it's so good. This is the place, and it's upstairs through back door.
It's one of the best ramen we had in
Oh my
Japan.
goodness, I was
Fire.
blown away. I'm not a fan of like fishy foods, but that, so like mind blowing. We've arrived to the shrine.
Arrived to the shrine.
Today's our last day. I'm so sad actually. But we have to do laundry. We're gonna do laundry in Vietnam.
Yeah.
So I guess that's something I'm looking forward to. Number 12.
24. It is humongous.
Got our crates. Got the strawberry,
Strawberry.
whipped cream, and strawberry jam.
I got the matcha green tea with a fudge brownie and some whipped cream. And condensed milk as well.
We're gonna take some photos. We're picking out our props. These are so cute. We're going to a hedgehog cafe. Apparently they only open for like 4 hours because that's the social battery that these animals have, so yay, we're oh my god.
No, please be careful. Oh my god.
Oh, there's that one.
Fine. Oh my god.
Guys, that was the cutest thing ever. And they gave me some tea.
With the otters though, they take it and run away.
Yeah, the otters, they're kind of aggressive. Okay, so this is a katsu that we have with some lettuce, some sauce, rice, and soup. This is the set it comes with. I have the meat here. I'm just gonna try it without anything. meat is so tender. It melts in your mouth. And you get to grill it, I guess like however cooked you want it. The meat is so thin that you can actually enjoy the crust with each bite. And this salad with this like sesame salad dressing. Miso dressing. Tomato salad. And this soup. This miso soup. A little messy. We're at Sushiro again for our last meal. Making my tea.
Alright, guys, my favorite tuna in the world. Go here. Let's get fish as fuck.
I love the crab meat last time, but look at how tiny it is. How tiny the meat is rice. You just gotta scallop. I will say, the crab here is smaller. Hi. We're at Don Quy. I call it Don Quy. But we're at Don Quy again. Honestly, we've been going to Don Quy probably every single day.
At least once a day.
I love this store so much. I love it. It's like, I don't know if it's a discount store, but it has everything that you can imagine. Everything. Similar to like a Walmart. I came back for this. Is this perfume that I smelled on the very first day, and I've been thinking about it. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like a clean girl. Guys, we are packed and we're headed out. I'm gonna show you our room since we're leaving. And here's the window. And super zen. Here's the bathroom. It's very small, but for Japan, I think that's pretty good. Good size. Have a bath. Beautiful. Okay. And we got a bidet. But yeah, this is checking out. This is the lobby. Here is their Japanese breakfast. That was included, but we didn't try this out. The walkway here. Look at the walkway. I'm really red because we've been running. This song means the bus is here. It's very cute. We're waiting for the train to get to the airport, and apparently all trains stop running at 12.
After midnight, dude.
After midnight, and it's like 11 something. So if we miss this one, I think there's one more behind it, and then the last one of the night.
last one's at midnight.
11:59.
But we missed our flight then.
Yeah, so I mean we're good. We're good. We're on the flight.
I'm on the flight.
We're on the flight to Ho Chi Minh. Look at his neck.
Look at this neck brace. So when I sleep, when you sleep, you kind of like have that support on your neck.